What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new POV video. Now today you join me inside yet another VW Golf. We're inside the Mark 7.5 Comfortline R-Line. So this one is the 1.4 liter turbo motor with the DSG transmission. So a quick recap. It's a 92 kilowatts motor, which is around 126 horsepower and 200 Newton meters of torque. So this is basically the facelift of my very own personal car. And yeah, I've never been in one of these. I've only been in the GTIs and the Rs, so it's actually very nice to be in one of these. I quite like the digital instrument cluster which they introduced, which was an optional extra from factory. They kind of tweaked the infotainment screen to look bigger, but it still has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yeah, inside here, it's a very amazing car to be in. Sound insulation, very good. Ride comfort, very good. Performance from the engine, very good. When you're just chilled, the fuel consumption is actually really amazing. Now VW claims 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. In my own personal car, I've seen numbers as low as 3.3 liters per 100 kilometers on highway driving. The owner of this car, who's actually a viewer of the channel, big shout out to him. Do check out his socials, which I'll link down in the description below. Also confirmed that he's seen numbers as low as 3 thereabout, which is quite cool for a car like this, hey? So yeah, we're just gonna go. Ooh, damn. Third GT. Ooh, is there some kind of Nissan GTR run? Ah, that is very nice. Ooh. Ah, that is so cool. Distracted from my video. Ooh, those are very, very cool. So in terms of the overall feel, drive, performance and all that jazz, it's exactly the same as in my car, so I'll keep it brief in a sense. But the main video that I was filming is a kind of comparison between the two, the 7 R-Line and the 7.5 R-Line, and why I feel like these cars are worth buying right now, either of them, depending on your budget and all that jazz. So that's the main video that we've been filming. Not quite sure which video will come first, but I think the POV will drop first, and then after, that's when you'll see the comparison video. I don't know if I'm crazy or what, but this one just feels ever so slightly more comfortable than my car. I don't know if it's some kind of psychological effect, but it does feel just a tad bit more composed when it comes to the feel of the suspension and ride quality. I don't know, maybe my car is too old, or maybe they did work on the suspension, because this being a facelift, I'd imagine they can do such things. But yeah, and yeah, very nice. Feels the same overall, but the look of the digital instrument cluster is ever so nice. This one also spec'd with the keyless access with the engine start stop button. Is, yeah, so cool. Such a nice convenience to have. So for the rest of the video, I think I'm just gonna chill, just let you guys enjoy the view and the perspective of being behind the wheel of one of these. Oh, yeah, man. I mean, when it comes to daily driving and all, you can hardly beat a Golf. And one of the reasons why I feel like these are such great value is, I mean, where they are priced right now on the 7.5s specifically, you can get these from like 280,000 rands. That's for very high mileage cars at around 160,000 kilometers, all the way up to 450,000 rands for the later 2020 models that are relatively low mileage, say 40 to 50,000 kilometers. When you compare them to like a brand new Polo Life that can set you back around 430,000 rands, I mean, just seems like a bargain. And the running costs on these are very, very low, hey? So that is why I actually adore these cars, the 7s. They are just great value for money right now. And it's easy to find one of these in pristine condition, hey, unlike the GTIs and the Rs, which can be abused. So these normally owners just drive them like normal cars. So yeah, it's very easy to find one that's in good condition. And also the pairing of this engine and gearbox is just a dime, hey? And I love how they've engineered the small jolt on gear changes. Just makes it feel aggressive, which is so cool, hey? So yeah, I think I'm going to conclude this POV drive right here. Do stay tuned for the upcoming video of the comparison where I do a full breakdown of the cost on one of these, the specs, and so on. Now I really do hope you guys enjoyed this POV drive. And until next time, that's cheers from me.